Welcome back. This week we're going to be doing a blue flower, and I'm starting here just by layering 2 colours. Then I'm adding the gold on top because I want the metallic to be there last, and I'm just running a ring around the other colours that I placed there. Next I'm just blowing it out with the hairdryer, and I'm doing it in 5 different directions here. You could do it in 4 either, and you can experiment and see yourself, but just to give the petal effect. And to make it more centered like a flower, I'm just taking my finger here and drawing in lines. And then I'm just spinning it out. And there we go. It looks beautiful after spinning it out. But I want to make it more like a flower shape, more like petals. So I'm taking my palette knife here and I'm just shaping it. I'm wiping the paint off into the shape that I want the petal to be. And because I wiped off some of the paint that I had there, I'm coming back in and I'm adding in that white base in sections. After looking at the painting, I thought it was missing a bit of depth. Just a little something, that it needed something. So I'm coming back in here with the dark colour that you're seeing in the centre, the Prussian blue, and I'm just adding in details to define the petals a bit more, because that's what I thought it needed. And here it is wet. It really looks beautiful. I was delighted with how this came out. It's really perfect. And here it is dry, varnished and ready to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll chat to you again next week. Bye.